Here's a look at gold, starting it off on the 4-hour time frame. As we could see, just by my simple notations here, that the expected target region is still not reached. I think that we're still going to see those levels, just given the overall price action here. Let me go ahead and just bring things a little bit closer into focus. There we go. So we can see that I'm still targeting the lower 1300 range around 1306, 1307, with the potential to touch 1305s, and then see a bounce from that area, which could be quite sharp. So again, keeping everything in perspective, so to speak, let's go ahead and just draw that as a potential resistance line on the way up, and then again test the 1310 and then start looking back to the upside here for gold. So near term, still expecting a little bit of a breakdown here, and then I see us kind of reversing and then starting to break to the upside, in the near future, I would say. So let's go ahead and take a look at that weekly time frame. All right, so looking at the weekly here, we can see that hitting those levels at that 1307, 1306 area is still going to be a pretty decent area as far as maintaining a support level, so to speak. We have quite a few wicks here. This was the previous resistance area, so again, it is a pretty safe area to load and then look for a bounce, so to speak. And then heading into the monthly view, we could also take a look at that real quick. You can see that even if we do head lower here, and I'll zoom in real nice, that we are still essentially moving sideways here. If anybody can read through all of my resistance areas here, uh, apologies for that. But looking at this, you can see that we are essentially running at a very, very high level of support. So if we maintain that 1307 area, then we could start looking at more upside potentially towards the latter part of March. And from there, it's anybody's guess when we actually do start breaking out. But I still anticipate over the coming weeks or so that we'll maintain a nice floor around the lower 1300 and then start challenging those 1320s again. And then eventually seeing that breakout from the 1320s all the way over to the 1400s. And that's when the overall marketplace will be interesting as a whole. So I'm expecting near term bearishness followed by a nice bounce to probably around that 1316 area, and then looking to again test that support area and then start moving back upwards.